good morning friends. So today we would be going to bring our Durga Ma to our home. So today I started a bit early, finished up all my work for today, and we have the call timings right now at 12. So I'm gonna get ready now and I'll see you soon. So all set and all ready to go. But wait, let me tell you right from the beginning how it all started. Good morning guys. So today is the first day when we are going for making our Durga Murti. So today we are going for Kathamkhili. So today we'll be going to the same shop where we'll be making our Durga Murti from. So stay tuned. So all set and all ready to go. So guys, that's how the stall looks like, and here our Durga Murti is always made every year, and you can see how it looks like. So guys, that's how the mandap looks like. You can just see behind me. As of now it's totally empty, but as the rituals start and as the day progresses, it's gonna get fully packed up and there would be no space left behind. Now it's totally empty, you can see probably, but in the coming days it's gonna get fully packed up. So just waiting for the fun and just waiting to show you guys how exciting it's gonna be.
চিরস্তিষ্ঠন্তি সুখং যাবত্তাং পূজয়ামি তাবত্তাং সুস্থিরাং ভবা ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু.
Welcome to yet another morning of our Durga Puja. Today is Shashti and this is how it looks, and this is how the Shashti morning looks like.
সুখং যাবত্তাং পূজয়ামি অনুমতি অনন্যেমনে প্রার্থনীয় ওং শ্রী বিষ্ণুবে নমঃ ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু ওং বিষ্ণু. জয় দুর্গাদিব্যই শ্রেষ্ঠং দুর্গাদিব্যই ইহা আগচ্ছ ইহা আগচ্ছ ইহা আগচ্ছ ইহা আগচ্ছ.